Welcome back, student, in your math class. And today we do one interesting thing. Take out your math book. Okay? Now take out your math book, page number 56 and 57. Today we will do today's CW and date. Page number 56 and 57. Okay, so let's start. What is there? Cross the same number of fruits as the numeral. So, what is written here? 6. And so many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples are there. But take your pencil and eraser, cross out only 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way you cross out only 6 apples. Very easy for you. Oh, Chisman, what happened, beta? Nishat? Do you enjoy it? Now, move on. Next one. 2. So, we cut down 10 bananas are there. We cut 2. 1, 2. Very easy. And also, it is very interesting. So, move on next. There are mangoes. And we cut 3 mangoes. So, let's start. You also cut with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I hope you complete up to mango. Next, move on. Pear. So many are there? 9. We have to cross out the 9. Now let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over. Now move on next one. It is pineapple. Now only 1. So we cut the first one. Very easy. Next, lady's finger. It is not fruit. Our heading is there. There are fruits, but lady's finger is not fruit. It is, we all know it is vegetable. So, let 4. We cut or cross the 4 lady's finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Now, next one. pomegranate. 8. We have to cross the 8 pomegranate. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. Are you doing it with me? Everybody is doing with me. Next one, I think it is the picture of muskmelon, or it will be maybe watermelon. So we have to cut or cross 1, 7. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over. Nishad, you are doing better? Are you enjoy this one? Nishad? Moinul already completed. Okay, very good. Now, strawberry. 5 strawberry we have to cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. It is very easy. And last one, orange. And we have to cross out 10. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All orange cross out because 10 orange was there. So we done this page number 56 we already done, and you send me the picture of page number 56. Next, turn over the page. Very good, Nishad. Well done, beta. Very good, Moinul, Nishad. Now turn over the next page. It is also enjoyable for you. Tick the collection showing the same number of objects as the giving numeral. So, write here 1, but so many boxes are there. Look carefully, so many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are there. 1, 2 stars are there. But in which box have just 1? We only tick that one. So we have to tick the third one. Here is one picture and one also written here. So it is matched with the number. Okay? Move on. Number 2. 2 is written here. And find out where is 2. 1. The pictures are buttons. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons are there. 1, 2, 3, 3 buttons are there. 1, 2, 2 buttons are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buttons are there. So which one is correct? Yes. 2 and 1, 2. So it is also number 3. Number 3 means third box, that is 2 buttons are there. 1, 2. Which one match with number 2? Next, number 3. Flowers are there. Count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So, last one is 3. 1, 2, 3. So we tick the last box. Very good, Moinul. And drops. What are drops? I think they are. So, four number is there. We have to find out four objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which box there are 4? Mention this one, second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So, we tick second box. Okay. So, you done this page and send me the picture. Complete, everybody. Very good, Orchidman. Well done. Now, page number, look, page number 67. It is homework. Activity time. Join the dots from 1 to 10 in correct order. It is homework for you. Everybody write down HW on this page. Page number 67. Page number 67. Page number 67. It is homework for you. It is very easy. Join the dots. Okay. Now, everybody put CW date on that page. Now, we practice. These rhymes we already practiced in previous classes. Again, we read it. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. Everybody stand up and say. Very good, Ishat. Well done. Now, how you do the rhymes? 1, 2. Then, pata tule now. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Shut the door. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. And 9, 10. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. Okay, everybody, learn the rhymes. Page number 59. It is also your homework, okay? Page number 59. Practice this one. Learn it. Learn the poem. It is your homework, and do this page. It is your homework. Okay? Homework is clear for everybody. Yes, Aradha, let's start. 1. Everybody stand up. Stand up, everybody. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up the sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. Very good. Now, Moinul, একটু দাঁড়াও বাবু। নিশাদ, দাঁড়িয়ে করো। 1, 2. Practice this one at your home. আমি কিন্তু নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখতে চাই অ্যাকশন করে দেখাবে। 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up the sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. Moinul, Nishat, Swarnendu, do it. Aradha is trying. Very good, Aradha. Nishat. Now, last one, I am telling. 1, 2. Okay, finger দেখাতে হবে না, জাস্ট এরকম করবে। 1, 2. 1, 2. বাকল মাই শু, একটা পাতে শু বাঁধার মতো করবে তুলে। So let's start. Last one. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up the sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. Okay? So student, your homework is telling page number 67. There are join the dots. It is you done it, and this poem in page number 59 you learn it with action. This too is your homework. Okay, so for today's math class up to this much. I hope you enjoyed today's math class. Are you enjoy this class? Are you enjoy this class? So today's class is up to this much, and have a nice day to all of you. Till now, ta-ta.